to HSD TEXTILE. My name is Sarah, and I'm delighted to introduce our company to you.
Established in 1999, our company has grown over the past 26 years into a large-scale manufacturer with more than 300 employees. We specialize in PVC-coated materials, and our products are sold both home and abroad. Last year, we had an annual sales volume exceeding $90 million.
Currently, we have 8 production lines. This is the entrance of our knife coating workshop, which houses 2 knife coating production lines.